Right now, a gap is opening in the world. On one side are people who know how to work with AI. On the other side are people who don't. And the distance between those two groups is growing faster every month. Some people are finishing work in 2 hours that used to take 2 days. Others are still doing everything manually, wondering why they're falling behind. So in this video, I'm going to show you a 30-day roadmap to mastering AI. Not coding, not complicated tools, just the 7 skills that separate beginners from power users. Part 1. The first realization. The first thing you need to understand is this. Most people are using AI completely wrong. They treat it like a search engine, or worse, like a person. But AI is neither. AI is a prediction engine. It predicts the most likely next word based on billions of examples. Think of it like autocomplete on steroids. If your prompt is vague, the output will also be vague. If your prompt is precise, the output becomes incredibly powerful. Which brings us to the first skill. Week 1, the foundation. Step 1, learn machine English. If you want powerful answers from AI, you must learn how to talk to it properly. Most people type prompts like this: "Help me improve my resume," and they get a generic answer. But AI responds best to structured instructions. A simple framework you can use is called AIM. Actor, Input, Mission. Actor tells the AI who it should act like. Example, you are a world-class career coach. Input provides the context. Example, here is my resume and the job description. Mission defines the goal. Example, give me 10 specific improvements to make my resume stronger. When you structure prompts this way, the quality of answers changes dramatically. Step 2, pick your instrument. The second mistake people make is trying to learn every AI tool at once. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, dozens more, and they jump between all of them. That's like trying to learn 10 musical instruments at the same time. Instead, choose one main AI model and go deep. Once you understand how one works, the patterns transfer to all the others. You start recognizing how to structure prompts, guide reasoning, and refine answers. Master one tool first, then expand.
Week 2, building context. Step 3, feed it context. AI without context is like a GPS without a map. It will still give directions, but they might be completely wrong. The quality of AI output depends heavily on the information you provide. A useful framework is MAP: memory, assets, prompt. Memory means giving the AI conversation history or background. Assets means providing real information like documents, data, or links. Prompt is the instruction itself. For example, instead of saying, "Help me write a marketing strategy," you could say, "Here is our product description, our competitors, and our target audience. Create a marketing strategy." Suddenly, the answer becomes far more relevant because the AI now has a map to work with. Week 3, refining your thinking. Step 4, debug your thinking. When AI gives a weak answer, most people blame the AI, but usually the problem is the question. Power users treat AI like a thinking partner. They test ideas, refine prompts, and iterate. Here are 3 powerful techniques. First, chain of thought. Ask the AI to explain its reasoning step by step. Second, the verifier. Ask the AI to ask you questions before answering. Third, the refiner. Ask the AI to rewrite your question in a better way. This turns prompting into a conversation, not a command. Step 5. Steer toward experts. Another mistake people make is asking extremely generic questions. For example, how do I become more innovative? That question is too broad. Instead, guide the AI toward specific thinkers and frameworks. You could ask, explain innovation using ideas from Pixar, Elon Musk, and Harvard research. Now the answer becomes more rich and structured. If you don't know the experts in a field, you can even ask the AI, list the top thinkers on this topic. Then build prompts using those names. Week 4. Becoming a power user. Step 6. Verify everything. AI can be incredibly helpful, but it also has a weakness. Sometimes it sounds confident even when it's wrong. This is called hallucination. That's why serious AI users always verify information. Here are a few simple checks you can run. Ask the AI to list its assumptions. Ask it to provide sources. Ask it to find counter-arguments. Or run the same prompt in different AI models and compare answers. Treat AI like a research assistant, not an oracle. Step 7. Develop taste. The final skill separates beginners from experts, and that skill is taste. Anyone can generate AI content, but great output requires good judgment. You must guide the AI toward ideas that are original, concrete, evidence-based, assertive, narrative. You can remember this with a simple framework called OCEAN. Original angles, concrete examples, evident reasoning, assertive opinions, narrative storytelling. When you guide AI this way, the output starts sounding like you're thinking, not generic internet noise. Final message. Here's the truth. AI will not replace humans, but humans who use AI effectively will replace those who don't. Learning AI is not about becoming more robotic. It's about becoming more strategic. Because when AI handles the execution, humans are free to focus on judgment, creativity, and ideas, and that's where real value is created. If you want to stay ahead in the age of automation, subscribe to the channel, because the future of work is changing fast, and the best place to stand is the high ground.